Well, Arthur, it's been a long haul, you know. I've known you now for, I'd say, maybe a couple of generations. And you've always been a splendid gentleman, a wonderful man, a wonderful friend, you know, and your dear wife, who had a bit of a conflict with me in the very early days. The first time I ever met her. I wanted to go into a concert, and she said, it's already started. And I said, well, that's why I want to go in, you know. And she said, no, you can't do things like that. I'll tell my husband, she said. And Arthur came on the scene, and he said, Ron, let's have a little talk. And we had a little talk, and by that time, I could go in because everybody was coming out. I love them both.
Okay.
Hi, Art. I'm delighted to be here at your 90th birthday. Now, Ron is 83, but I'm hoping that he lives to be 90, and you can join us on his 90th birthday. God bless. Love you.
You want me to talk to? Okay, this is a real pleasure to come down at the big 9-0 birthdays. I've hit 92, so I'm ahead of you. We've got 2 years to go yet. It's been a great, I've enjoyed this company over all these long years. I'm now going to sit down at the piano and play happy birthday to it this morning.
Okay. Hello, I met Arthur just a few short years ago through my sister Connie. And we found that there were many connections because Arthur came from Curling and actually went to school with my uncle Frank Dyke. And he had aunts who lived next door to my school, where I used to go in as a Girl Guide and do my badge for bed making at his aunt's in Curling. So that made quite a connection, and our family really grew to love them in the few years we knew Arthur and Barbara. It's a pleasure to be here today.
What's it? Sorry. Okay.
Hi Arthur, Jim Flynn, as you well know. Happy birthday and many more. And I hope you'll always be a well-behaved teenager like you are now. This way or that way, whichever you want to do.
I think we'll go this way, I think.
Arthur, this is John Moyes. I want to say congratulations on reaching your 90th birthday. It's been a wonderful ride. I can remember you back 50 years ago when you were running the CBC, and we were both members of the Crow's Nest for you've been a member for a long, long time. But I'm now a member for 50 years. I'm getting to be one of the oldest guys at the Crow's Nest. There's only you and I left, Arthur, that are holding the place up. And you're doing a lot better job than I am. God bless you. Great.
Anytime.
Okay. Well, here we are at the 90s. You're joining me now, so we can trot along together. I wish you all the best for the future years. God bless you.
Let me know when it's on.
It's on.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Barrett and Mrs. Barrett, because I know you're watching this too. Happy birthday. Congratulations, and it's so good to see you walking without your cane and looking so absolutely fabulous. God bless.
Excellent.
Birthday to Arthur, my much older brother. One of these days, I hope I'll be as good as he is at 90. Happy birthday, Arthur. I love you.
Where were you like?
Hi, Mr. B. Happy birthday. I'm so happy and delighted to be here with everybody celebrating your 90th. I hope you have 90 more. And I still have my copy of From the Ground Up, which was the first flight book that anyone ever gave me, and that's a lot of years ago. So happy birthday. Love you much.